This is the Sleepbuds. It's by Bose. I haven't unboxed this. This costs some money, maybe $250 US plus tax, about $280. I'm not in USA, I'm in India, but I decided to get my hands on these because what's more important than sleep, my friends? Okay, I'm gonna just unbox this first. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Maybe not. It won't look very pretty. Be right back. Okay, it's been unboxed. I've taken the plastic out. This just slides off. Then we have this. Wow. Okay. I think this is the charging case plus the carrying case. Probably comes with a charger. Okay. Okay, we have a bunch of things here. Is this an adapter? Yep, this is an adapter. This is not gonna work. Anyways, here's a micro USB cable. Standard Bose micro USB cable, I'm guessing. Yep. And we have some earbuds. It's two variations. A little silicone to keep things dry in here. And 5-volt, 1.5 ampere. With some sort of a carrying case and a little manual. Probably tells you about the Sleepbuds. Anyways, one is to download the Bose Sleep app. Remove the Sleepbuds from the charging case so the app can find them, and then follow the instructions, and that's about it. And 2. So let's take out the number 1 first. Okay. And now we take this off. Oh, it slides to the side. It has some charge. Wow. Man. Look at this. Wow. That's a micro USB slot. And just like that, that charger is supposed to have a 16-hour battery. So there you have it. That was a quick unboxing. I'm gonna play with this. Sleep with it, I mean. Wow. Okay, let's see. I'm really excited. They look absolutely magnificent. I don't know if the camera is doing them justice. Actually, the camera is doing it justice. Just so you know, this is being shot on an iPhone 8. That's right.